Hello, in this video we want to show a mathematical fallacy where 0 over 0 is equals to 2. For over a century, 0 over 0 in mathematics is considered an indeterminate form. Even if you have a rational function like let's say 3 over 0, 5 over 0, and so on and so forth, the value will be infinity. So if you multiply a number by 0, let's say 5 times 0, it gives 0. Okay? So if it is 0 times 5, it also gives 0. So any number you use 0 to multiply will give you 0. Fine. Now, but in this video, we want to give you a surprise proof of how 0 over 0 is equal to 2. But I want you to watch closely to spot out the mistakes or errors in this proof and make that comment in the comment section, because it's a mathematical fallacy to say 0 over 0 is equal to 2. But then let's show that in this video. Thanks. Now let's show that. Suppose that we have 0 over 0 is equal to 49 minus 49 all over 49 minus 49. Yes, you see, because 49 minus 49 is 0, 49 minus 49 is 0, so that's 0 over 0. Now we can rewrite this as 7 squared minus 7 squared, because the square root of 49 is 7, so 7 squared minus 7 squared all over what? Now we can factor out 7 here if you don't want to put it in form of squares. So you can see 7 is common, so 7 will be here, then minus 7. Okay, because 7 times 7 is 49, 7 times 7 is 49. Fine. So we know we can rewrite this as, because this one is giving us a difference of 2 squares. So you can have a difference of 2 squared when you have a squared minus b squared. You know it's going to be what? A minus b into bracket a plus b. Oh, you remember that very well. That is this. Let's write it like this. Is equal to a minus b into a plus b. Fine. That's the value of a squared minus b squared. So also we can have this as 7. Okay, let's come down here, right? 7 minus 7 into bracket 7 plus 7. Okay? All right. All over 7 into 7 minus 7. I hope you understand what I did there. Fine. Now, let's look at this. This 7 minus 7 will cancel this 7 minus 7. So what do we have left? We have 7 plus 7 all over 7. Okay? And what is 7 plus 7? That's what? 14 all over 7. So what is 14 over 7? The result is 2. So you can see how we have mathematically proved that 0 over 0 is equal to 2. But in the actual fact, there is an error there. There's a fallacy. So now go to the comment section and point out where the error is in this proof. Bye.